If you thought you knew what Apple was planning for its most affordable tablet, you need to completely erase that from your mind right now. The iPad 12th generation is not just another minor spec bump or a recycled design from 3 years ago. According to the latest, most secretive supply chain leaks coming straight out of Cupertino, Apple is preparing to completely blindside the tech industry with a massive overhaul of its entry-level iPad. For the past few years, the standard iPad has been the safe, predictable choice. It was the tablet for students, for casual browsing, and for basic media consumption. But Apple has realized something crucial. The gap between the standard iPad and the iPad Air has become too blurred, and consumers are demanding premium features without the Pro price tag. This year, Apple is finally listening, and the 12th generation iPad is shaping up to be the absolute biggest threat to every other budget tablet on the market. Forget everything you have heard from mainstream tech news, because what we are about to uncover today involves hidden supply chain reports, leaked schematics, and insider whispers that Apple has desperately tried to keep under wraps until the official keynote. If you're planning to buy a tablet anytime soon, you must wait, because the 12th gen is going to change the entire pricing and value landscape. Let us dive deep into the real story of the iPad 12. First, we need to talk about the absolute biggest leak regarding the design and the display. Historically, the base iPad has always been a step behind. It had thicker bezels, a non-laminated display, and a design that felt distinctly older than the Air and Pro models. With the 11th gen, Apple finally transitioned to the flat-edge design, but the 12th gen is taking it a massive step further. Insiders report that Apple is drastically reducing the bezel size on the 12th generation iPad, bringing it dangerously close to the aesthetic of the iPad Air. But the real game changer is the display technology itself. For years, users have complained about the air gap in the non-laminated display of the base iPad, which makes tapping the screen feel hollow and significantly reduces the Apple Pencil experience. Leaks are now heavily suggesting that Apple has finalized a new manufacturing process that allows them to produce fully laminated displays at a fraction of the previous cost. This means the iPad 12th generation is highly likely to feature a fully laminated liquid retina display. The colors will pop right against the glass. The viewing angles will be drastically improved, and most importantly, drawing or writing will finally feel instantaneous and premium. This single upgrade destroys the main reason people previously forced themselves to spend more on the iPad Air. Furthermore, there are strong rumors about a bump in peak brightness, pushing past the standard 500 nits, making this tablet far more usable in bright outdoor environments. But a beautiful display means nothing without the horsepower to drive it, and this is where Apple's strategy gets aggressively competitive. There has been an intense internal debate at Apple regarding the silicon for the 12th general. Some analysts predicted a safe upgrade to the A16 Bionic chip. However, premium insider sources are pointing to something much more radical. Because of the heavy push towards Apple Intelligence and advanced machine learning tasks, putting an older A-series chip in a brand new 2026 device would immediately bottleneck Apple's software ambitions. Therefore, highly reliable supply chain whispers indicate that Apple is strongly considering skipping the older generation silicon and outfitting the iPad 12th gen with a bin version of the A17 Pro chip, or even a modified A18. Why is this monumental? Because it means the cheapest iPad in Apple's lineup will be fully capable of running localized Apple Intelligence features, console-level gaming with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, and intensive video editing applications like Final Cut Pro without breaking a sweat. If Apple drops an A17 Pro or A18 chip into their entry-level tablet, it instantly becomes the most powerful mobile computer in its price bracket globally. It is an aggressive play to lock millions of budget-conscious users into the Apple Intelligence ecosystem, ensuring they never look at an Android tablet again. Let us transition to the camera system and a highly anticipated design correction. For years, the front-facing camera placement on the iPad was optimized for portrait orientation, which made absolutely no sense given that most people use iPads in landscape mode for video calls and consuming media. Apple finally fixed this in the iPad 10, moving the camera to the landscape edge. The iPad 12th Gen will completely refine this experience. We are hearing reports of a new 12-megapixel ultra-wide landscape front camera with an upgraded sensor specifically designed to perform better in low-light environments. Center stage will be faster and more accurate thanks to the upgraded neural engine in the new chipset. But there is a massive secret regarding the rear camera. While it will likely remain a single lens setup to keep costs down, leaked code in recent developer betas suggests Apple is bringing advanced computational photography features to the base iPad. We are talking about Smart HDR5, significantly improved document scanning capabilities using AI to automatically remove shadows and glare, and even limited support for spatial video playback, perfectly tying into the Apple Vision Pro ecosystem. Now, let us tackle the most controversial and highly anticipated aspect: Apple Pencil compatibility and accessories. The current situation with the standard iPad and Apple Pencils is an absolute mess of adapters and confusion. The 12th generation iPad is finally going to fix this fragmented nightmare. According to accessory manufacturers who are already receiving early dummy units to produce cases, the new iPad 12th Gen will feature a newly designed magnetic connector on the side. This is massive. It strongly implies that the base iPad is finally getting full, native support for the Apple Pencil Pro, or at the very least, magnetic charging for the Apple Pencil 2. This move makes perfect sense. Apple wants to sell more high-margin accessories, and holding back magnetic charging on the base model was only hurting their bottom line. By adding this, the iPad 12 becomes a phenomenal, affordable canvas for digital artists, students, and note-takers. Furthermore, we are seeing leaks about a brand-new, budget-friendly Magic Keyboard specifically designed for the 12th Gen, unlike the expensive floating cantilever design of the Pro keyboards. This new accessory will likely be a refined version of the Magic Keyboard Folio, but with a larger trackpad and better key travel, effectively turning this budget iPad into a true laptop replacement for the masses. Battery life and connectivity are also getting a silent but massive overhaul. With the incredible efficiency of the new 3-nanometer chip technology expected to power this device, the iPad 12 is projected to crush the standard 10-hour battery life claim. Internal testing leaks suggest we could be looking at closer to 13 to 14 hours of continuous mixed usage. For students and professionals on the go, this is a lifesaver. On the connectivity front, Wi-Fi 6E is almost guaranteed, providing incredibly fast and stable wireless speeds, but the cellular models are getting an even bigger upgrade. Apple is reportedly outfitting the cellular iPad 12th Gen with an upgraded 5G modem that supports a wider array of bands globally, ensuring faster download speeds no matter where you are in the world. And yes, the transition to USB-C will continue, but rumor has it Apple is upgrading the data transfer speeds on the port, finally allowing faster offloading of footage and files to external SSDs, a feature heavily requested by content creators who use the base iPad as a secondary editing station. Finally, we have to talk about the release date and the aggressive pricing strategy Apple is about to deploy. The standard iPad has always been about hitting that magical psychological price point. With the massive upgrades we just discussed, the laminated display, the A17 or A18 tier chip, Apple Intelligence support, and magnetic Apple Pencil charging, you might expect a massive price hike. But Apple knows the global economy is tight. Insider pricing models leaked from retail partners suggest Apple is going to keep the starting price incredibly aggressive, potentially holding the line at $349 or $399 for the base storage model. Speaking of storage, we are praying Apple finally abandons the 64GB base tier. Leaks heavily suggest the 12th Gen will start at a far more respectable 128GB, making it an incredible value proposition right out of the box. As for the release window, all supply chain indicators are pointing to a massive Apple event. Production yields are ramping up right now in overseas facilities. This means Apple is preparing a massive launch, and you will not want to miss a single second of it. The iPad 12th generation is not just a tablet. It is Apple's Trojan horse to dominate the budget computing market for the next 5 years.